Here we have a quick unboxing video of the Steiner T5xi. This is a 5 by 25 by 56 and it comes with an SCR BDC mil reticle. This is a first focal plane tactical scope. As we can see here, it comes with warranty and accessories that we need for the illumination of the reticle, and an Allen wrench. Comes with a scope shade, which is great, and the ubiquitous cleaning cloth. As you can see, it's a pretty long scope. It feels super solid. Feels really great. The first thing I notice when looking at the unboxing is these really great low profile, chunky, very tactile turrets. And we can see here it's a mil scope. Really fantastic feeling, solid zero stop turrets. Really interesting windows here where you can see any of your elevation. And here we have on the side, we have our illumination and our parallax, which goes down to 50 meters. Okay, and we can see we've got a diopter here, which is really important, particularly if you have older eyes. And this whole thing just feels fantastic. It is Steiner, Germany, but I believe this particular model is manufactured in the United States. It's a very solid feeling piece of equipment, as you'd expect for the price point. So let's just weigh it for a second. So that's 1 pound and 15, pretty much 1 pound and 16 ounces. So pretty solid feeling scope. No scope caps, so I'm going to need to buy those as extra. And we're going to do a separate review on the glass next. So that is a quick unboxing of the T5xi from Steiner.